Does anybody else's child have a sippy cup with the nipple that looks like this? And this is the only one that Carter will drink his milk out of. And it's been this same one for about 2 years now. It's just really sad. I don't know if you saw my last video, but Tanner does not take whole milk. He does not nurse. Someone in my video said to try 2%, so I'm trying it. We'll see what happens. Whoever told me 2% milk, I love you. You know, I think it's cute and comfy for a Sunday. I'm not hating on it, but I definitely am running out of clothes that fit at this point. I am, how many weeks am I? Almost 19 weeks pregnant. I'm definitely like carrying so different than what I carried with my boys. Like with my boys, I legit like had like a basketball, but with her, I'm more so going out towards the side, and I feel like that's like an old wives' tale, but it's true for me. Pants are actually from Fabletics. You can see. Little logo here, but I love the pockets. Pockets are life, especially when you're a mom. And it also has like a little zipper right here, so even more pockets, guys. What I love about Fabletics is that they come in size XX small, so extra extra small. These are small, and I also got like some really cute leggings from there in a size small, but they also go up to 3X, so it's not discriminating. Everybody can get themselves some Fabletics. So how Fabletics works for like the VIP membership, I never really knew how it worked, but so all you do to join Fabletics is you go on their website and sign up, and a lot of people are like, isn't it a subscription service? It is, but you're not going to get charged unless you get something. So they send you an email and remind you to go on either between the 1st and the 5th of the month, and you can shop their collection. And if you don't like it, you just skip that month. That's all you have to do is go on, and if you don't want what's going on that month, you can skip completely. In the beginning, they have you take a style quiz so they know your preferences, and you, like I said, you can skip that month if you don't like it, and if you don't skip, you'll be charged on the 6th of every month, and you earn credits for the following month. So it's super easy. Being a member is totally worth it because you get 50% off versus not being a member, so no brainer. And also, it's founded by Kate Hudson. I love her. I fell in love with her in How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. I probably watched that movie like a million times. I just love her. She's awesome. Also, if you click on the link in my description box, you get 2 pairs of leggings for only $24, and that's a steal, and that's an amazing deal. I loved my leggings. They were so cute, and I love the design. They have a lot of matching sports bras, and I just absolutely love them. So make sure that you go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much, Fabletics, for sponsoring this video and finding something that fits my bump and is comfortable.
Let me see you jump. Hi, boys.
Hi.
You ready to go to Ikea?
Yeah.
Got 2 sleepers, guys. So cute. He's still holding his toy. Cute, nice. Chris and I went on a date night last night, and this never happened, but Carter apparently, I don't think he ever went to sleep, and then started like crying, so she went in and got him right away, and he wound up staying awake. So we got home a little bit before 10:30, and he was still like talking in his crib until like almost 11 o'clock, so it makes sense that he's sleeping now. We were trying to be smooth and have Chris run into BJ's to grab some diapers and me drive around, but then of course both of them woke up the second that we closed the door. So that was a fail, but we did get some coffee.
I got that.
Let's get in your diapers. You gotta start going in the potty, huh? You gonna start going in the potty?
No, Bobo pooping.
Burbra's pooping?
No, yeah.
I hope not.
Go, 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 go.
You're so funny, honey.
Seriously.
Meanwhile, they
15 bucks for these.
Really?
After our $20 reward.
Really?
$4 off.
Oh, we had a $20 reward. Holla. Ooh. It's exactly how I feel after Ikea too. Boys went down for a nap, a later nap. Tanner, of course, fell asleep in the car. But we like tried to wake him up to eat lunch before his nap, and he wasn't having it. So I don't imagine he'll sleep very long because he'll get hungry. And Carter is now in his crib going for a nap, and I'm going to get a refill and my pedicure done. But honestly, all I want to do is sleep. I had an OB appointment on Friday. Everything is like good so far, but my thyroid is messed up yet again. I'll talk more about that and my Hashimoto's disease. I'm gonna do a pregnancy update this week. And yeah, same thing, like I'm super, whenever I don't take Unisom, which I've been taking probably this whole pregnancy for my nausea, whenever I don't take it, the next day my allergies are crazy and like my nose is running and I'm sneezing constantly because it has the same thing that Benadryl has in it that like kind of dries you out. So apparently I have really bad allergies when I don't have it, but I just want to be done with it because like it's a sleeping aid and it's helped a lot. Like I can't say enough good things about it. I couldn't even eat if I didn't have it, but again, I'll talk more about that in my pregnancy update. While I'm gone, Chris is gonna put together this cute little chair we got for Carter from Ikea and just like catch up on his own little things that he's been wanting to do around the house. Nails are done. I feel much better about that. I hate when I need my roots done and my nails done, and I need my roots done too, but I never have any time to get it done. And I go all the way to Jersey to get my hair done because my best friend owns a salon and she's been doing my hair forever. I think we met when I was 20. I'm 29, so 9 years. Forever. But they did the best pedicure. I love going to this place because they use hot stones every single time and it's just so relaxing. However, usually my friend Lisa comes with me to get my nails done, and today I was solo because it's like the only day I have to get them done before Easter. The transmission on Chris's car blew, so he's going to be using my car all week until that is fixed. So I won't be leaving the house to get my nails done anytime soon. So today was just the day that I need to get it done. Oh, it feels so good to be home.
I'm getting my own kind of pedicure.
I see.
Thank you. I could do without the dog on my chest.
Oh, that's an extra special. Oh, there's Carter socks. Hi, Tan Man. Hi. We played in the playroom for a little bit, came back downstairs. I passed out on the couch, and Chris made us a delicious dinner. So sweet. Carter, can you show everybody your new chair from Ikea? Is this your new chair? Wow. Tanner, we got this new like smock for him to wear when he eats from Ikea. He's not sure how he feels about it yet. Mmm. It's your pasta.
See, pasta there.
Salad. I'm pretty sure Tanner is pretty pissed about this smock. And that's why he's not eating.
Like your fruit, amen.
Amen. Oh, fake cry. You guys did not do good with dinner. Oh, we can brush our teeth? Thank you. Daddy, get in your belly. Oh, you want this? Aw, sleepy boy. Where is he? Peekaboo. You're such a silly meatball. Peekaboo.
There.
Tanner, where'd you go? We're in the guest room because we're still painting our bedroom and the fumes are just like so strong. I'm playing with the remote, waiting for Daddy and Bro. boys are down. This is the best diffuser blend if you want to fall asleep right away.
I need Botox in my forehead.
Stop making fun of me. I do need it. I didn't say I would get it, I just need it.
No, you don't. You're perfect.
Thanks, babe.
Alright guys, we're gonna end it here. We hope you enjoyed our Sunday family day. To face this
Sorry.
angle. But I hate
do?
this angle. So we had to compromise on my angle.
It's not compromising.
Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
Good job, honey. So proud of you.
Or don't.